Okay guys, so in this really quick video, I'm going to explain the difference between Amazon PPC keywords and search terms. So essentially a keyword is the actual phrase that you add into the campaign that you're telling Amazon to target. So if you're creating a manual keyword targeting campaign, what you'll see is that Amazon allows you to add in keywords for it to target. What you'll also see is that they'll ask you whether you want to add them in exact, phrase, or broad match. We'll talk about that in just a sec. So keywords are the actual words, phrases that you add into the campaign that you're telling the campaign to target. What search terms are is the actual words that customers type into the Amazon search bar where your ad actually then shows up for. So for example, you could add the keyword laptop stand into your campaign, and then the search term could be laptop stand. So that would be the actual word that the customer typed into the search bar. Or it could be blue laptop stand or blue metal laptop stand. It all depends on what the customer types into the search bar before your ad actually shows up. So keywords are what you add into the campaign, telling it what to target, and search terms are the actual words that customers write into the search bar for your ad to show up in. Now, if you're wondering why the search terms don't always exactly match the keyword, in the example we used here, the keyword was laptop stand and one of the search terms was blue laptop stand. That is because it depends on the match type you use for the keyword. So if you use exact match keywords, then laptop stand would only be able to target the search term laptop stand. If you use phrase or broad match keywords, then the phrase or broad match keyword laptop stand can target things like blue laptop stand, blue metal laptop stand, and a wider variety of different customer search terms. Now, if you want to learn more about Amazon PPC keyword match types, watch this video next. In this video, I'll show you the difference between the different match types, how they work, and which ones you should be using in your campaigns. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.